Grade 10 students, welcome to today's session. In this session, we will see the polynomials. In class 9, you have studied polynomials in one variable and their degrees. Now, you just recall it, children. Degree of the polynomial. If p of x is a polynomial in x, the highest power of x in p of x is called the degree of the polynomial p of x. Example, 4x plus 2. The highest power of the variable is 1. So, here degree of the polynomial is 1. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Example, 2x minus 3. Here the highest power of the given variable x is 1. In general, any linear polynomial in x is the form ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Example, 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Here the highest power of the given variable x is 2. In general, any quadratic polynomial in x is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Example, 4x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. Here the highest power of the given variable x is 3. In general, any cubic polynomial in x is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. You have already studied in class 9 how to find the zeros of the linear polynomial. See the definition. 0 of a polynomial. A real number k is said to be a 0 of a polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. For example, if k is a 0 of p of x is equal to 2x plus 3, then p of k is equal to 0. Here p of k is 2k plus 3. 2k plus 3 is equal to 0. 2k is equal to minus 3. Now k is equal to minus 3 by 2. In general, the 0 of the linear polynomial ax plus b is minus b by a. Now we will see geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. A linear polynomial ax plus b, a is not equal to 0, has exactly one zero, namely the x coordinate of the point where the graph of y equal to ax plus b intersects the x-axis. For example, the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 3 is a straight line passing through the points minus 2, minus 1 and 2, 7. Take the values minus 2 and 2 for x. We get y is equal to minus 1 and 7. Plot the points minus 2, minus 1 and 2, 7. See the graph. The graph y is equal to 2x plus 3 is a straight line. This line intersects the x-axis at only one point. Here the graph y is equal to 2x plus 3 intersects x-axis at only one point. So the number of zeros is 1. See the exercise. Exercise 2.1. The graph of y equal to p of x are given below for some polynomials p of x. Find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. First sum. See the graph. The graph intersects y-axis. Here no zeros. That means it has no zeros because the graph does not intersect the x-axis at any point. Next one. See the graph. The number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Fourth one. See the graph. The number of zeros is 2 because the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points. Fifth one. The number of zeros is 4 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 4 points. See the remaining problems. Do it as homework. Thank you.